World Cup 2026, here I sing for the joy that football brings. One world, one heart, one destiny, together writing history. The lights are shining, the crowd is loud. Every nation standing proud. Dreams are flying through the sky. Tonight is the night we all unite.
From every city, every street, millions moving to the same beat. One passion burning deep inside, a love for the game we cannot hide.
The stars are ready, the stage is set. Moments the world will never forget. Every goal and every cheer brings us closer year by year. The world is watching side by side, with hope and courage as our guide. No matter where we come from, we share one dream beneath the sun. World Cup 2026, here I sing for the joy that football brings. The